In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use tiles to solve a quadratic equation like this. I'm going to use the classic algebra tiles, which I've discussed in previous videos, to solve or factor the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6. The first tile has an area of x squared and is burgundy. The second tile has an area of x. The third tile has an area of 1. I'm going to use these tiles to solve the equation x squared plus 5x plus 6. First, I have 1x squared, and I need 5 x's, so I add 5 rectangles, each with an area of x for 5x. Now I add 6 green squares, each with an area of 1 that add up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to move all the tiles into place since I have all the pieces. I'll move 2 blue tiles to the side, and I'm going to take another blue tile, another one, and put it on the top. It doesn't matter if I put the 5th X or there or at the top. I'll put it at the top. I'm going to start putting down the green tiles. And I'll just put them down evenly to stack them all up like this. So I put down the 6 green tiles. Let me just straighten everything up there. To give myself a little room, so I'm going to slide it down just a tad. The area of the rectangle is equal to the length times the height. So its area is equal to length times height. So the length right there is equal to that distance plus that distance plus that distance. Turns out to be x, and that distance is 1, and that distance is 1 also. So it's x plus 1 plus 1. Add those two ones together. Now I have x plus 2. So the distance of the length, or this side, turns out to be the whole distance is x plus 2. Now the height of the rectangle, the height, is that distance. Turns out to be that distance plus that distance plus that distance plus that distance for the whole thing. So it's x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I need to write it as x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I'm going slowly here so you make sure you understand. So I end up with x plus, I add those 3 ones together, which is x plus 3. So the entire height of the rectangle is x plus 3. So the area is length times height, so it's x plus 2 times x plus 3. And these are the factors for the original equation of x squared plus 5x plus 6. In this video, I came up with some factors, these factors, and I used some tiles. And you can actually solve some pretty complex equations using tiles. So good luck and have fun.